You have to switch on the power of the pager watch, and every time when you charge, do not charge more than 2 hours. It is stated here already. Do not charge more than 2 hours. So after you charge 2 hours, now you can do setting. For the watch, you need to press L and R together to do the setting. Step number 1, you go to number 9 to restore. To restore the setting, you go to 000040. After that, you press R for 2 seconds. Success means the watch already restored to the factory setting. After that, you press L to go to restore again, and you press R 2 seconds. Then you go to this, you set the number as 9 6 4 4. This is the password to allow multiple watches use at the same time. Then you press R for 2 seconds to register. Success. After that, you go to press 9659. This is to make the button brightness to the maximum. 9659. After that, you press R for 2 seconds and release. Success. After that, what you need to do is go to select the time, system time. Then here you can set the time, the clock that you want according to Maldives time. You can set, let's say now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. What you can do is you just set 08 00. Then you press R. Register. Success. And L to go back. Another L to go back to the main menu.